How to install iOS 26 beta on iPhone, step-by-step tutorial. Step 1, open your iPhone settings. Go to General Software Update. You won't see iOS 26 here yet. Don't worry, that's normal. Tap on Automatic Updates. Make sure Download iOS Updates and Install iOS Updates are toggled on. Step 2, open Safari, not Google Chrome or any other browser. Then go to https://developer.apple.com and then tap the menu icon 3 lines in the top left corner. Apple account. Sign in with the same Apple ID you just logged into your iPhone. If this is your first time, Apple will show a developer agreement. Scroll through it and tap Agree. You'll then be asked to customize your experience. Tap Get Started. Select a role that best describes you. For example, developer or student. Tap Join the Apple Developer Program. Tap Enroll today. Step 3, fill in your personal details, full name, phone number, etc. Select individual/sole proprietor as your account type. Accept the terms and conditions and tap Continue. Follow the on-screen steps to complete the free account setup. No payment is needed just to install the public beta. Step 4, go back to your iPhone settings. Tap General, then Software Update. You should now see a beta updates option. Tap it. Select iOS 26 developer beta from the list. Return to the software update screen. The iOS 26 beta update will appear, probably 16 GB. Tap Download and Install. And that's it. You've successfully enrolled in the Apple Developer Program and installed iOS 26 beta on your iPhone.